I just want to clarify things about the questions actually. And there are some questions that are not related or not actually meaningful. Just like you compare global warming over animation. They are not related in any way, but technically they are related because green computing talks about the disadvantages about advancement of technologies. Okay, disadvantages. Animation is a technology actually. There was someone who asked about how animation is actually done in the computer and how do you transfer pictures on paper to the computer. So it's just so easy. You just scan it and then after scanning it, you manipulate the picture and do. Actually, animation is just very simple. It's just a way of manipulating those pictures to appear and disappear, to have an illusion of movement. Okay, animation in gaming is actually the technology used. So these images are drawn. Thousands of images are drawn actually, and these images are hidden and then mag-appear yan to have the illusion of movement. That's animation. Okay. And when it comes to global warming, as I said, this is just a discussion.
Sinasagot ng mga ano,
like what,
they are talking about toxic, eh, hindi yun naman eh, talagang, ang point ni sir, it is the equipment being used for animation, that is the reason why nga, connected. Aya?
Liquid crystal spray, LCD. Yes, of course.
Grabe. Nagalisto. Halusan nyo, halusan nyo. Nagitin mga yata, gawin yan, okay lang kanyak. Interview da ngaming mami. Noon da nga palpasin talaga awan dito sa bali pang tulong namin eh. Di may med da nga ako. Pangalistuan.
Actually, they are proposing
Kalaki mo. Wen dami eh. Kakasya naman kung convincer pa na hindi.
If you have questions,
Tamo, damam kita one price da.
write them in the paper and then give it to Ma'am Jackie. She will answer those questions to you. After this program.
After this program.
One of the reasons why we are here is to receive certificate
Oh, yun lang yung certificate.
of being a part of this friend group. Because absolutely, a certificate serves as an evidence or reward of something you did worthwhile. With this regard, may I call on the different instructors of IT department to award the certificates and also attended this seminar. Let me read you the content of the certificate. Data Center College of the Philippines, Lawag City, Certificate of Participation. This certificate is awarded to Maria Marcina Albano for having actively participated as an organizer in the seminar with the theme Moving Forward to Advanced Technology on October 2, 2010, held at the CAP Building Function Hall, Lawag City. Nenita A. Respicio, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Vicente A. Bunwan, PhD, Vice President for Academic Affairs.
report